Welcome to the research world. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to type fractions in Word document. There are different methods. These first and second are the two simple methods, and this third is fraction in fraction. So how to do it? Let's follow the steps. In the first method, click on the Insert tab, then go to the equation and write in this equation box. Write the first number, then the forward slash, and then the next number, and press Enter. In the second method, go to the Insert tab, click on the equation, and here is the fraction section. Click on it, and there are the different styles through which you can enter the fractions. For example, I'm going to select the second one. Write the numbers in these boxes. In the next method, that is fraction by fraction, click on the Insert tab, then go to the equation, select the fraction. Right-click in this first box, and again, go to the fraction, and select the fraction. So, write the number, for example, 1, 2, and 4. In this way, you can enter fraction. In Word document.